Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Rebel 500. This lightweight twin-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 969 miles on it. Fuel injected, liquid cooled twin-cylinder, showroom condition, low mileage. Come on by, make your Rebel 500 dreams come true for just $62.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.